Hey folks, welcome to the Review Cats. Today we're going to be reviewing the Smok Nord kit. Let's open it up and see what's inside. On top, the standard warranty booklet. Does anyone actually read this? Silica salt, do not eat. There's a USB charging cable, albeit very short, a 0.6 ohm mesh coil, and a 1.4 ohm standard coil included in the box. And of course, the Nord. This is one of the new resin designs. There are 6 different resin patterns and 6 standard colors in Smok's well-known Cobra pattern. The 0.6 ohm mesh coil uses a single mesh strip. It's slightly larger than the 1.4 ohm coil and provides a slightly more powerful hit. Because of the great flavor and cloud production, it's my preferred coil of the two. The 1.4 ohm regular coil is great for you mouth to lung vapors out there who like a more restricted hit without sacrificing flavor. There's also a 1.4 ohm ceramic coil and a 0.8 ohm mesh coil available separately. The Nord has great size and shape and is really comfortable in the hand. It's also very simple to use. Like most modern vape devices, 5 clicks turns it on. While the device is on, press the button 2 or 3 times to see the battery level. When you're done vaping, 5 clicks turns it off again. And always remember to turn off your device when you're not using it. Installing the coil is simple. No screw-in coils for this baby, just pull the pod off the device, press the coil into the pod lined up like so. You can't put it in wrong, it won't fit. Fill the pod with your favorite juice, close it up, push it back into the device, and you're good to go. The Nord's beast of an 1100 milliamp battery lasts up to 2 days of heavy use. However, unlike a lot of pod systems, there's not much decrease in it when the battery lowers. A full pot of juice also lasted about 2 days, and the device runs freebase and nicotine salts great with both the 0.6 ohm and 1.4 ohm coils. Strangely, the charging port is at the bottom of the device, so it can't stand up while charging, but the bottom is flat, so it does stand on its own. Let's take a look at the juice I used. For Nic salts, I used Fugu's Puffer, a strawberry kiwi sour belt juice in 30 mg. In freebase juice, I used Coil Killer's Savage, a similar blend of watermelon, strawberry, and kiwi in 3 mg. These juices both have an amazing sweet and sour flavor. However, I did prefer the nicotine salt over freebase juice in this device. As I mentioned, the Nord is available in 6 different standard colors: gold, green, red, rainbow, white, and black. As well, 6 new resin patterns have emerged, and they're pretty excellent. All in all, the Nord is an unbeatable pod system. The battery provides up to 2 days of consistent hits, and the mesh coil is incredible for flavor and life. I would definitely recommend the Smok Nord to any vapor out there who wants great flavor and cloud production out of a pod system. Thanks very much for watching. If you liked, click that like button and feel free to subscribe for more reviews.